Hello guys, thank you for watching to my video. You guys are awesome. For today, I have 1 lemon and also I have 3 apples here and also 1 head of celery. It's about 8 stalk of celery. I peeled the lemon here because if not, it might be too much if I include the skin. And then the celery is 8 stalks. The apple that we have here, it is 3. This will serve as the sweetener of our celery lemon juice for today. The lemon is high in vitamin C and soluble fiber and plant compounds that give a number of health benefits. It may aid in weight loss also. Celery are crunchy and has a number of health benefits. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. With celery, you will enjoy vitamin A, K, and C, plus minerals like potassium and folate. Now that we are done, we're just going to stir a little bit so that our celery, lemon, and apple juice will mix really well. And here is a glass of our drink and ready to serve. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And hit that bell so that you will be notified for a new video that I'm going to upload. And don't forget, we have a channel shout out here. Check them also. You will learn from their channel. And they are really nice one too. Thank you.